SEO is dead? Welcome to GEO, Generative Engine Optimization Explained. Ranking on Google isn't enough anymore. Let me show you how to rank in AI-generated results like ChatGPT and Google's AI overviews. Here's how your content can appear as an AI answer, even if your site doesn't rank on page 1 of Google. How to rank in ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google's AI overviews, GEO Strategy 2025, Step-by-Step Tutorial. Checklist of 7 points factors to rank in AI overview. Questions. Target natural, user intent queries. Clarity. Start with a clear, direct answer. Structure. Use headers, lists, and clean formatting. Context. Add related terms and semantic depth. Schema. Implement structured data markup. Authority. Build content clusters around a topic. Freshness. Keep content updated and technically sound. What's the difference and why it matters in 2025? Don't get left behind. GEO isn't just SEO with AI, it's a completely new game. Here is the 5 key differences between SEO and GEO. Top 5 GEO tools for AI search rankings in 2025. Also asked. Surfer SEO, Phrase.io, Schema Markup Generator, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity.ai. Backlinks don't work? How AI search changes link building forever. Context. Relevance matters more than link quantity. Authority. Topical expertise outweighs domain strength. Intent. AI favors content that matches user questions. Mentions. Brand name mentions without links still count. Semantics. Language relationships over link networks. Content. Quality answers outperform backlinks. Signals. AI uses diverse signals beyond traditional SEO. ChatGPT SEO. How to show up in AI answers using GEO. Use GEO-specific keywords in your content. Optimize your Google business profile. Create location-based landing pages. Submit to local directories and listings. Build backlinks from local sources. Add local schema markup to your site. Get and manage local customer reviews. Thank you for watching video. If video is useful for you, please subscribe, share, comment and like my channel to get more video like this.